Struggle develops strength and storms make you stronger. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about an adventurer, television presenter, survival instructor, the person who eats almost everything on earth. Yes, this story is about the world's brightest survival show star, Bear Grylls. So let's know more about him in detail. Edward Michael Grylls, better known as Bear Grylls, was born on 7 June 1974 in London to Michael Grylls, a politician, and his wife Sarah Ford. Edward has one elder sister, Lara Fawcett, who gave him the nickname Bear when he was just 1 week old. Talking about his education, he completed his schooling from Eton House, Ludgrove School, and Eton College. He obtained his part-time BA in Spanish and Latin American Studies from BBEC, the University of London. He also did his bachelor's from the University of West England. From an early age, he learned to climb and sail with his father, who was a member of the prestigious Royal Yacht Squadron. As a teenager, he learned to skydive, and by 18, he earned a second Dan black belt in Shotokan Karate, becoming the youngest ever to do so in UK at that time. After leaving school, he briefly hiked in the Himalayan mountains of Sikkim and West Bengal. He wanted to join the Indian Army, but not being Indian citizen, he was not able to. Then he joined the British Army Reserves with 21 SAS as a trooper, trained in unarmed combat, desert and winter warfare, survival, climbing, parachuting and explosives from 1994 to 1997. In 1996, one of the darkest times for Bear, when during a skydive, Bear's parachute ripped apart at nearly 16,000 feet from ground, breaking his back in 3 different places, spending the next year and a half in and out of military rehab. Doctors said he might never walk again. As a result, his services in SAS ended in 1997. But on 16 May 1998, Bear achieved his childhood dream of climbing to the summit of Mount Everest in Nepal, 18 months after the accident, thus becoming the youngest Briton to climb Ahmadabalam, a peak that Sir Edmund Hillary once described as unclimbable. In 2005, Bear with his team created a world record for the highest open-air formal dinner party, which they did under a hot air balloon at 25,000 feet, dressed in full matched dress and oxygen mask. To train for the event, he made over 200 parachute jumps. Then in 2006, Bear was approached by Discovery Channel for the show Man vs. Wild, and his success led it to last 7 seasons over 5 years. In the show, we have seen him climbing cliffs, parachuting from helicopters, drinking urine, and many more. But the show caused controversy after a program consultant revealed that Bear actually stayed in a hotel on some nights and that certain scenes were staged for him. Bear subsequently apologized to viewers who might have felt misled. In March 2012, the Discovery Channel dropped Bear from its lineup because of contractual dispute. Then he made a comeback in 2014 with his show Running Wild with Bear Grylls, where celebrities like Barack Obama also took part. In August 2019, Man vs. Wild started with special India episodes, where Bear appeared with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in special episodes shot in India's Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. His second episode retitled Into the Wild with actor Rajinikanth, and now his third episode with actor Akshay Kumar. Talking about his personal life, Bear married Shara Koenigs Knight in 2000, and they also have 3 sons. He works a lot for charity and is the ambassador for the Prince Trust, an organization which provides training, financial and practical support for young people in the United Kingdom. He has also created many world records and achieved numerous awards. So this was the story of Bear Grylls. Hope you liked it.